guys, welcome back. Welcome back. My name is Gigi. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video is gonna be a cook and clean with me video. For cooking today, I'm gonna be making rice, salmon, and shrimp. I actually was gonna be making salmon only, and then I realized that I only had 3 salmon left, so I put some shrimp on the side of it, and then with some Brussels sprouts. So I start by cleaning out my salmon first, and then I'm gonna season it, put it in the fridge, then go wash dishes and kinda, cause I like to cook on a clean kitchen. So I'm gonna season the salmon first, and then I'm gonna go cook. So what I'm doing here, I'm getting ready to wash the salmon. I use lime and vinegar to wash the salmon. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the shrimp too, and then kind of toss them out and make sure I wash them and then rinse them. Once I'm done rinsing the salmon with cold water, I don't use warm water because I don't want it to start cooking it. So I use cold water to do that. So once I'm done with that, then I'll start seasoning the salmon. So what I use to season the salmon is all the seasoning that you see in front of you there. That jar is a Haitian épice in there. It's a Haitian seasoning. So I just use things to make the seasoning. I don't want to go to details with that. If you guys want to see that, just let me know. I'll make one. But this is what it looks like. You just have buy stuff and blend it. And then I'm gonna put some salt on there, put some slap your mama, and some Creole seasoning. These are my favorite seasoning ever, so I always use them on everything. So the whole video as I'm cooking, you're gonna see me using those. If you don't have a slap your mama and Creole seasoning in your pantry or cabinet or season cabinet, then you need to go get you one right now, because no matter how you cook, if you think you don't cook with flavor or anything like that, if you have these, I promise you your food will taste good. So this is what I'm doing here. After I'm done with that, I like to put the dry seasoning first because I feel like it goes all the way in the meat or the fish, whatever I'm cooking. Then I would put my Haitian seasoning on the salmon. So that's what I'm gonna do here. And then once I'm done, I'll put it in the fridge. And I don't have a certain time that I leave it in the fridge. I just put it in the fridge because I had to go wash dishes. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge, then go wash the dishes, and then once I'm done, I'll start cooking. So go ahead and stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video.
Yeah, yeah, come a little bit closer. Yeah, you're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah, come a little bit closer. Yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Yeah, in the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over. Yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. glad that's what you believe. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better.
Alright guys, so let's start cooking. So first thing I do is I put this pot on the stove. I let it heat up first before I put the oil in it, because I want to fry my my Haitian seasoning. So I'm gonna let that heat up, and then I'm gonna work on the vegetable. I'm gonna be making vegetable rice. So this is what I was showing you there. The vegetable is not dirty, but I like to rinse it. It kind of, because it's from the freezer, and I think when I do that, it just kind of not make it the ice when I'm trying to fry it is not icy the way it came from the freezer. So I like to rinse it first, then drain it, and then what I'm gonna be doing is put oil on the pot and then fry my Haitian seasoning. Then I'll put the vegetable rice, the vegetables in there to cook, and then when that is done cooking, I'll just put the water, bring it to boil, put the rice on there, and then that's basically what I'm gonna be doing.
Running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times.
Alright, so now that the water is in the pot, I'm gonna wait for it to come to a boil before I put my rice. So in the meantime, I'm gonna start working on the vegetables first. Today I'm gonna do the Brussels sprouts. I don't have a set recipe for my food. I just go with the flow and I don't measure. So with that being said, I don't have like a recipe. I'm not a chef. I'm just going with the flow, like put the kind of seasoning that I like to cook. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. This is why I didn't tell you guys how many tablespoon of this and tablespoon of that I put. So I just eyeball everything. I've been cooking for a while and I've never been to the culinary school, so I don't measure my food. I just go with the flow and eyeball everything, and it always come out good. So now that the water is boiled, I'm gonna start working on the rice. So I like to wash my rice first before I put my rice to cook. So I give it like 3 wash, and as you can see here, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm just gonna wash it and then put it in the pot, so it can start cooking. All right, I am all done. Oh my god, this food is so good and looks so good. If you guys can remember the recipe, definitely try it and let me know what it tastes like. I love this food and I love cooking. So now we are done. We were done cooking. Dinner is all done. I already put the food away. Now I was trying to empty the dishwasher, but if you remember earlier, before I started cooking, I ran the dishwasher. So the plates were so hot in there, I couldn't take them out. The ones that I took out were burning my hands. So I decided I'm just gonna wash the plate that we ate dinner by hand, and I'll just let them dry in the dishwasher. So that's what I'm gonna be doing here. Alright guys, now that I am all set with cleaning, as you can see here, I am happy, I am dancing, I have a fresh home. Now it's time to unwind. I'm gonna be getting a glass of wine and enjoy the rest of my evening. I hope you enjoy yours too. If you like this type of videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Cheers.